Hello to all my friends out there. So here is my meal plan, and I made the taco soup and the pizza, and probably tomorrow I want to make a chicken fried steak. I had 14 meals and I added this 15th meal. And I thought if I come up with something, I'll just keep going until I get to 31 meals. But I want to give you a lemon tea recipe of mine. I think this would be a good way to get some extra vitamin C. I will post that on Twitter. And here is the chicken fried steak recipe right here. I'll probably make this tomorrow. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.